Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how I made e-commerce landing page using AI. With this AI tool you can generate a full landing page for your product just one prompt. Now we'll log in on this AI tool. You'll find the link in the description. Here you'll pass your prompt, but let's choose any product. I choose this Adidas. Let's copy this image and I go to ChatGPT and I passed the image on ChatGPT and tell him in simple prompts to give me a full AI prompts for create a best interactive landing page for this product. Now, when ChatGPT, let's pass the prompts, the image, and click Generate. Now, this ChatGPT generates me a full landing page prompts generator with style, with the footer and the header. This is a full prompt. But let's go back to this AI tool and let's pass the image product I want to generate the landing page for it. And I will copy this ChatGPT prompts give me. I will copy it and click and go back to this AI tool. Click paste, choose any style here. Here modern, minimalist, and other style. We need to choose any style you like it, and click generate. Let's click generate. Now the landing page start generated just in one simple prompt. This is the landing page, it's finished. This the landing page with our look at the image is 3D. This is the function, this other image for my product. This is the reviews, this the price to check out, FAQ page, all the answer, here the blog, the email subscription. It's actually professional landing page, just one simple prompts. All this review, and here image, and here my product is 3 motion image. Here you can choose the size, you can change the color. Look, it's start to change it. Let's click on white, black, and here all the size. This the 3D. Now if you want to try this AI tool, it's for free. You find the link in the description, and see you the next one.